When Amara was born, her parents were overjoyed, but there was just one thing. She was born coughing real bad. Doctors thoroughly checked the charts, nurses checked the machines, and everyone agreed on one thing. Amara was a baby with a strange condition, and the condition was a never-ending cough. They prescribed everything: syrups, inhalers, pills, drops, teas. One doctor even suggested honey, another suggested steam from a shower, while others recommended humidifiers and fresh air. Someone's aunt even suggested prayer and ginger, but nothing worked. Eventually, a doctor leaned back and said, "Well, it's incurable. Cool, awesome, she's definitely unique." "I love that for Amara," he added. As a child, Amara's cough caused chaos. At the grocery store, people backed away like she'd yelled, "I have the plague," instead of coughing. Some parents suddenly remembered their kid had to use the bathroom. A few brave souls wore masks around her while staring intensely, as if eye contact might activate something. Amara was completely unbothered. To her, coughing was just breathing with extra enthusiasm. Her mum, however, was stressed and tried to shield her from people treating her like she was contagious. Every outing came with anxiety. Every cough came with an apology. Her mum perfected the phrase, "She's not sick, she just coughs." But people still treated Amara like she was a big germ. Amara played soccer in elementary school, coughing while sprinting, coughing while scoring, coughing while celebrating. The ref once looked concerned. Amara waved him off mid-cough like, "Relax, I've been coughing all my life, it's okay." In middle school, Amara ran track. She crossed finish lines coughing so aggressively that spectators leaned forward in concern, only for Amara to stand up straight and ask, "Did I win?" In high school, Amara became a cheerleader. She cheered loudly, coughed mid-chant, and jumped right back in like nothing happened. The squad learned to pause automatically. It was teamwork. By then, people stopped reacting. Amara's cough became her signature sound. Even when you didn't see Amara, you heard her coming. People would literally say, "Oh, that's Amara. She's nearby. No, she's not sick. Coughing is just a part of her life." College was more of the same. Lecture halls, libraries, group projects, silence. Then Amara's cough. Nobody flinched, nobody cared. It was just part of the atmosphere. And then fate intervened. Amara met a guy. He coughed too. They locked eyes across the room. Amara coughed, then he coughed back. It was like dolphins communicating. For the first time in her life, Amara didn't apologize. Neither did he. They talked, laughed, coughed mid-sentence, and continued like nothing happened. It was a weird, hacking romance. It was obvious that Amara fell in love. She got married and coughed through the vows, just like her husband. Then Amara had triplets. Yes, and all three coughed. The doctors nodded and said, "Genetics did its thing." Amara and her husband shrugged like, "Yeah, that's about right. They cough just like us." The kids grew up running, laughing, coughing, and being perfectly fine. Amara and her husband's house sounded like joy, chaos, and occasional throat clearing in surround sound. But they still lived happily ever after, coughing loudly, unapologetically, and together. Because sometimes the thing everyone stares at is the thing that makes your life legendary.